If you are seeing this page for the very first time, then please make sure that you subscribe. Today I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll tell you a bunch of ways in which you can tie or tuck your t-shirts, blouses or top wear in general. Now, one of the biggest styling tips that I can give to you is not to wear your regular t-shirts or anything that is loose or basically anything that is not cropped as it is. Instead of that, go for either tying it or tucking it. That will instantly change your outfit and it will lift it up. Now, if you're still not convinced, then watch these two clips and you can see for yourself how much difference does doing a small step like this brings in your outfit. Now this video is going to change your fashion game and you're gonna thank me for that later. And now that you're convinced, I know you are, make sure that you watch this video till the end because I think I have at least 10 tips for you, and that is a lot, and there is something for everyone in this video. Now I'm going to do a lot more of these styling hacks, इस type की videos. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video, and also click on the bell sign. And if there are some video recommendations or requests, then leave them in the comment section down below, or leave something as simple as a hi and I'll reply to it because I love chatting with you guys. So yeah, that's it. Like this video, and now without wasting of your time, let's just get started. Now I'd like to start this video by talking about when to tie your t-shirt or when to tuck it, because I think that's a very important question. You need to know किस time पे क्या करना चाहिए. In a nutshell, if you are on a formal setting, suppose some business event or your offices, your work, then go for tucking your blouses or t-shirts. And if you are on a very casual day out, you're just with your parents, hanging out with your friends, then you can do either of them. You can tuck it, you can tie a knot depending on your comfort style. So first we'll talk about different ways of tucking your t-shirts. I think I have 4 styles for you, and the first style is a classic front tuck. It's a very simple, classic, easy style, quick to do, 2 seconds लगते हैं, and very self-explanatory too. You just take the front part of your t-shirt and tuck it inside your jeans, and that's it. So here in the clip you can see I'm showing you how I like to do it generally. Now the next style is a full tuck. Now how I decide whether I want to go for a front tuck or a full tuck. If I have a t-shirt like this of this length, then I go for a front tuck, and if I have something larger or of a longer length, then I go for a full tuck. Because personally I don't like doing a front tuck on a longer t-shirt because it leaves it hanging at the back, and I don't like that look. Now for a full tuck, that's very easy. You just take your entire t-shirt and tuck it inside your jeans, pants, skirts, shorts, whatever you're wearing, and voila, here it is. The advantage of tucking your t-shirt is, you can see I've got a t-shirt like this. It's a loose, it's oversized, it's comfortable, but it's not giving any shape to my body. ये काफ़ी ऐसा लग रहा है कि I've wore a potato sack or something. And when you tuck it, like I've tucked it completely on my jeans, and here you can see that it has cinched my waist. It's given my body a shape, and it's looking much better. Now this is the third kind, and I have personally named it an upward tuck. I don't know what this is called originally, but ये मेरा नाम है इसके लिए. I just take my t-shirt और उसके hem को I tuck underneath my bra or bralette, like whatever I'm wearing, and here we've got our final look. Now इससे कितना ज़्यादा definition मिल गया है to your outfit, to your body, and it looks so much better than the earlier style, and this is actually pretty darn cute, so I love it. And I think there's something that I've learned fairly new. All of these styles I've been doing for years, except for this. Rest of them have been my OGs. I'm doing them from ages, from years and years. Here you have your perfect crop top from a regular size t-shirt. Now we move on to the fourth style of tucking, which is the side tuck. Now I'll admit that I don't do this one as regularly as others because I prefer them over this, but this can be your cup of tea. So basically here you are tucking, instead of doing the front tuck, you're tucking your t-shirt at either side. You can do it either at left or right side, and this is how you do it. Basically just taking the part of a t-shirt, suppose in the right side, and you will just tuck it inside your jeans or whatever, and you can leave rest of the t-shirt as it is. Now again I'll go for this if I'm wearing slightly shorter t-shirts and not a large oversized baggy one, because that's just how I prefer it. Now we're done with tucking our shirt and we move on to knots. Now the first kind of knot is like a front knot, and I'm pretty sure you must be seeing this almost everywhere because it is a very common thing to do and it really elevates your look. Front knots are my go-tos, and right now I'll teach you how to do the perfect front knot. Just gather your t-shirt at the front, wrap it around your fingers, रोल इट अंडरनीथ, और जो आपका एक होल टाइप बना है वहां से उसको बाहर निकालो, एंड हेयर यू आर विद योर परफेक्ट नॉट. नाउ ये जो आपका थोड़ा सा पार्ट बाहर को स्टिक आउट हो रहा है, यू कैन ईदर लीव इट एज इट इज, और समटाइम्स आई लाइक टू रैप इट बैक. थोड़ा सा उसको नॉट के ऊपर रैप कर दो एंड इट लुक्स मच क्लीनर एंड बेटर. नाउ व्हेन यू आर नॉटिंग इट एट द फ्रंट, you can make it super cropped, and that's going to be our next kind of knot, which is making a super cropped t-shirt wala look from your knot. So here, just like you knotted your t-shirt at the front, अभी आपने नॉर्मली उसको नॉट किया, बट नाउ यू जस्ट टेक इट और आप उसको थोड़ा सा और ऊपर पे जाके नॉट करना, एंड इट विल मेक योर टी शर्ट और योर ब्लाउज लुक सुपर क्रॉप्ड, और उससे भी काफ़ी क्यूट लुक आता है. So these two you can choose according to your liking, your comfort style. If you want to go for something जिसमें ज़्यादा मतलब ज़्यादा cropped effect आए, तो you can go for this one. And if you don't like to show off your midriff so much, आप comfortable नहीं हो, so you can go for the earlier one. Now I'll teach you the third style of knot, which is with an elastic, and this one is much lighter on your t-shirts because पहले वाले में आपकी t-shirt बहुत ज़्यादा खिंचती है because obviously you are knotting it, and you need a more stretchable t-shirt for it. और उसके लिए जो t-shirt होती है वो थोड़ा सा लूज हो तो ज़्यादा अच्छे से knot बनता है. But suppose I have a t-shirt which I don't want, which is not that loose, I'll do it using an elastic. Now this is a very simple thing to do and another way of having a perfect knot, क्योंकि इससे भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा perfect knot आता है. Just gather your t-shirt at the front. Again, instead of rolling it around, आप उसको बस ऐसे अंदर की तरफ को tuck करो and tie a elastic over it. Now whenever you're choosing an elastic, go for something smaller and of similar color. अगर मैं black t-shirt पहनूंगी तो I'll do a black elastic on top of it. If I'm doing a white one तो कुछ थोड़ा सा transparent elastic हो. Like go for elastics which are similar to that color, और उससे काफ़ी clean look आएगा, and it won't even look like आपने उसको elastic से tie किया हुआ है. So this is another very good hack and another go-to of mine. And now the fourth kind of knot is a back knot. Now नाम से समझ ही आ रहा है, you're knotting your t-shirt at the back. This is perfect if you want to do an illusion of a crop t-shirt on a normal size t-shirt. So if you want to crop it, but आप सामने से वो knot वाला effect नहीं चाहते हो, आप चाहते हो कि सामने से वो पूरा ऐसे cropped दिखे, then you can knot it at the back. So here I'll do the exact same thing but at the back. So I'll gather my t-shirt and I'll tie it like this, एक ponytail type बना दिया अपने t-shirt का, and I'll push this underneath my t-shirt. इसके साथ पीछे आप bra में भी tuck कर सकते हो so that it is more secure, and here you have your perfect crop top from a regular size t-shirt. You can also knot it at the back and leave it as it is. मतलब आप पीछे से knot करो और उसको ऐसे ही छोड़ दो. Even that's a very cute style. But I like to मतलब tie it with the elastic and push it underneath ताकि वो दिखे ना कि वो tight part है. And now the fifth knot is a side knot. I think it's pretty explanatory. नाम से ही समझ आ रहा है कि what it's all about. It's very similar to the front knot. Just instead of doing it at the front, you're doing it either at the left side or the right side, depending on आपको कहाँ पे knot करना है. तो आप same चीज़ करोगे. You can do this also either with an elastic or without an elastic, depending on कैसा t-shirt है. Just remember that if you have something जो कि ज़्यादा fitted है, तो always go for doing it with an elastic. And if you have something which is very loose, so you can do it either ways. So for the side one, here you can see in the clip how I'm doing it. And side one उसको gather करना है, you wrap it around your fingers and then pull it from underneath, and it's very easy. Elastic से करना है, elastic से कर लो. If you want to do it like this, do it like this, and yeah. So now we move on to our sixth knot and the 10th style of this video, which is a gathered knot. This is something which is super different and it makes your outfit very fancy. and when you see the final result of it, you'll get to know what I'm talking about. It's very easy to do. The only thing to keep in mind is you need something a little looser for this, because you need थोड़ा सा extra fabric होना चाहिए which you can tie. So थोड़ा सा इसमें कुछ लूज चीज़ है तो उससे ज़्यादा बेटर इफेक्ट आता है. Need an elastic for this again. And here you can see I've gathered a bunch of fabric ऐसे करके, and I'm tying a elastic inside से, like from the inside out. तो अंदर पे you have to tie an elastic and you have to leave it like it. बहुत बड़ा सा knot मत बना. This is the final effect. Isn't this look so bougie? और काफ़ी डिफरेंट सा बना दिया आपकी टी शर्ट को. लाइक यू कैन सी कि टी शर्ट ओरिजिनली ऐसी लग रही थी, बट आफ्टर डूइंग दिस स्टाइल ऑफ नॉट अब टी शर्ट ऐसी लग रही है. एंड आई थिंक इट लुक्स सो क्यूट एंड तो द फैंसी सा इफेक्ट आ गया ऑन अ बेसिक टी शर्ट लाइक दिस. एंड विद दिस फाइनल स्टाइल वी कम टू द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो. ये सब कितने ज़्यादा क्विक, ईजी, सिंपल से हैं करने में, एंड दे कम्प्लीटली चेंज द आउटफिट ईच टाइम and actually made it look so much more better and cuter. So I hope you like this video and you'll try out these styles and try to incorporate them in your daily outfits. And if you do, then do tag me in your pictures or send them to me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle right here. Go follow me there because I share more of my personal life there. And make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments which was your favorite style. And I try to upload every Monday and Thursday. And yeah, now I'll see you next time. Until then, keep smiling. Bye. This video will change. This video will change your fashion game. This video will change your. This video will change your fashion game. Oh God. Oops. So make sure you've subscribed. Now we move on to the.
Ooh, I thought it'd be me and you.